Okay, we're on to the next video, and this one is about Akismet. And you'll notice that prior to configuring Akismet, you get this note here. So let's go to Akismet. The easiest way is right here by clicking on this link. What you need to do is get an API key. And if you don't know what an API key is, you can click on this, and this will tell you. But here's how you go get it. So click on that link, click on this button, and choose the free one. And you can make it 0 if you want. Alright, fill in your first name, last name, email, and confirm email. You can click or not click this and click continue, and you will be emailed an API key. Once you have that API key, you can then go back to this field, paste it in, update options. Okay? Since I already have an API key, I just paste mine in, click update options, and we're done. That's it for Akismet. Now I do want to make a special note here. Akismet is awesome. It is probably the best plugin you can use for your WordPress blog, bar none. It really handles spam comments well. What you'll find is that as your blog gets more popular, or even if it's not popular, there are automated programs that go out and find open, quote-unquote open commenting blogs. And WordPress, is a blog type content management system. So what you'll find is when Akismet is turned off or deactivated or not even present, you'll get a lot of comments that are complete and utter baloney. They don't add to the conversation, they don't make sense, people are just trying to get a backlink. So you want to avoid that. The best way to avoid that is by installing Akismet. It will cut your spam comments by 95% as a rough estimate. Alright, so use Akismet, install it, get this API key, update your options, and you'll be good.